What's up, y'all? It's been a little minute since I've actually made a video for my YouTube channel, but I just wanted to start getting back into the habit of it, and I thought this would be a great project to start with. It's an animatronic tiki bird made by VP Animations. Super, super cool. Y'all already know I have a fondness for animatronic birds. They're probably some of my favorite animatronics. I'm just so amazed by the amount of movements they're able to fit in such a small size, and I think it ends up looking super lifelike. And also just VP Animations, I love VP Animations. The first animatronic I ever got working when I was probably 14 or 13 was a VP Animations Bell Bear. And VP Animations just as a whole just makes super solid characters. As y'all can see, I did purchase this character from Caleb at Hound Dog Productions. As you will see, unfortunately it did come damaged, but it's not his fault and we ended up working it out. He was super apologetic, so it's fine. This clip is pretty funny to me because you can actually see the moment I realized the head was cracked, and at the time I was pretty upset. I think I might just be cursed with animatronic birds because this is the second animatronic bird where the head was cracked. The other one is the eagle, and I haven't really made an update on the eagle. I have not really messed with it. After seeing the crack, I just decided to rip off all the fur, just so I could actually get a good look and make sure the body shell wasn't broken or their wings were broken as well. And at the end of this project, I think I'm going to send it to my friend Gavin at Craymations. I'll put his Instagram in the bio to have him refinish it and repaint it. He's a super, super talented artist and just also super good with engineering. He's making a new Rocket Fire Explosion character that he completely 3D modeled, and he's making a Pizza Time Theater replica that's pretty accurate. It's really incredible what he's able to do. At this point in the video, I discovered that the animatronic itself has onboard valves, which is just super cool, and I wasn't really expecting that. I'll show it better at the end of the video when I show the new base that I 3D modeled, but that's kind of a spoiler. Y'all will see what's going to happen. At this point, I was trying to be really careful with the eyes and hopefully not break them because I thought they were part of the original sculpt, but I realized that it was just glued on top, and there were eyes sculpted onto the fiberglass itself, along with other detail around the eyes that I'm really excited to bring back and kind of make it look a lot better. I ended up fixing the head off of camera. It would have just been really hard to do it while filming it, and it's kind of a long process. I had to strip the paint off and then fill it with Bondo and then reinforce the inside with Bondo and then shave it down and then refill it with Bondo and then shave it down, and I still have more to do. This shows why I decided to cut off the base. It was originally made for 2 animatronic birds and the other one was cut off and is owned by someone else, so I don't know, just no need for it. This is what I meant when I said onboard valves. It's pretty impressive that they're able to fit all of this and 6 functions onto an animatronic this size, and hopefully with my new base it will have a rotary function, so it will have 7 functions. I really like this hip sway function. I don't really know the anatomy of a bird, so I don't know what the real name of this is, but I think it adds a lot to the character. I'm about to show you the pivot point I did on the base. Let me know if you want to see me show you how to make a servo mechanism, or if you'd like to see pneumatics. I can show you pneumatics and show you all the math behind finding the perfect stroke length to get a desired angle. Just let me know what y'all want to see. Here is a little progress shot on the tiki bird head. I did fix it with Bondo, and I made the inside a little stronger by adding a uniform layer of Bondo on the inside, or as uniform as I could get it. I'm probably going to sand it down to make it perfect, and I think I'm going to finish the rest of the head similar to how you finish a 3D printed part, with thick layers of primer, and then sanding it down and doing layers of that until it's absolutely perfect. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will make more videos soon on this character. I'm about to order the aluminum base, so the next video will probably be me showing you how to order a custom CNC part and 3D modeling the animatronic base mechanism.